Hello friends, today we are going to discuss this problem. This problem is related to organic synthesis, and this type of question also have been asked in CSIR NET or GATE and other state level examination. So first of all, what happened here, we will see this is the starting material here, and this starting material, this one is called furan, okay, and this is acetic anhydride, okay. If you see acetic anhydride, and further if you see BF3 here, BF3 etherate is added here, okay. So this one, this is the open form of acetic anhydride, okay, and BF3 etherate solution is added in the reaction medium, and when BF3 is added, the temperature requirement is 0 degrees Celsius because it form complex with acetic anhydride, and it will like that. BF3, okay, and BF3, this one minus, and okay, the 2 plus 1 means there oxygen having 2 valency, and there is since there is a 3 valency, so it will balance here with positive charge, okay. So if you see, so what happened when you add furan, okay, this lone pair will be shift here, and this double bond migrate in this side, and this double bond will be where it will be shift this one, okay. So it balance positive charge, okay. Sorry, it remaining here. So after that, what happened next, what happened in the reaction, since this lone pair shifted here, so there will be 3 bonds here, means since oxygen having two single bonds, so it will balance by positive charge, okay. And this double bond, and if you see here is hydrogen, and this, since from here this carbon will attach from that one, okay, means CO this, okay. And what happened, since it will released out in the reaction medium, and so if you see, since there is balance side, okay, so like that BF3 minus and this one, okay. So if you see again what happened here, this bond will be shift here, and this double bond will abstract, since furan is if you see furan is unstabilized, so it will stabilize in the reaction medium. So from where it will stabilize in this side, means this single bond oxygen boron bond will be break down here, and this double bond CO means one single bond shifted here, and consume hydrogen from here, and this bond will shift in this side, this will double bond migrated here, and again it will stabilize, means it will stabilize the positive charge, okay. So your product, what will be your product, this product, so in each and every side is stabilized, so reaction will not go further, and there will be this one, so it will be your product, okay. So you can easily design mechanism and solve it before going to competitive exams, okay. So thank you.